Your Apple Cash is sitting there doing nothing while your Cash App is crying for attention. Let's fix that before you find a way to spend it on something you don't need. Open your Apple Wallet, tap your balance, and hit the three dots in the corner. Select Transfer to Bank and type in the amount you want to move. Now, if you already have a bank linked, delete it. We are making room for the main character today. Dash over to Cash App and tap the bank icon on the bottom left. Look for your routing and account numbers and copy them. Yes, it's a bit of homework, but stay with me. Head back to Apple Pay, tap Add Bank Account, and paste those numbers in. When it says Sutton Bank, don't panic. That's just Cash App's secret identity. Pick the free transfer option unless you really enjoy paying fees for no reason. Double-click to confirm, and just like that, your money is on the move. If I just saved your financial life, hit that like button so I can feel a tiny bit of validation. Comment the word transfer below so I know you actually made it this far without getting distracted.